So this is about National Academy, and I will listen. This is my teacher. Many of you know him. He has been my mentor. You know, academy started in 1961, and the first inauguration was done by Pandit. You can understand the importance of any academy, and this is the Academy of Medical Science. What we call it as National Academy of Medical Science. And then it was the first convocation was addressed by then President of the country. And it has got many functions to do uh, to promote knowledge of medical. Main issue is to promote the knowledge of medical science in India. You have, and then apart from that, many more functions I'll skip. And this is the current governing body of the National Academy. Dr. Digambar Behra is the president, and he will be joining online during inauguration, and I also am in their council members. And how you can join? My interest is that how you can join National Academy. That is my interest. There are many ways you can join. You can become fellow. Like say I became fellow of National Academy in 2005, very long back. It is a credential based, and then you can become member. Membership is now easy after about, if you have post graduation or PhD is 5 years after that, you can apply for membership. It's easy. And then associate fellow, anybody who is DM can get associate fellow. This is new thing has been added. And then anybody who did DNB, he automatically become member of that is known as MNAMS. There's a new class has been added last year, especially who are postgraduate who have just passed their MD, MS or MDS or the PhDs. They can become associate member. 1 year of that, and you can become associate member. And then we have international fellows and membership, and we have emeritus professor. Madam Chudamani is sitting, I think during her tenure, she made me emeritus professor. And madam, for your information, I think pulmonary medicine has only one emeritus professor in this. So I happens to be one. Then, so that is a way how you can become a part of fellowship. I'll just say these are the very important fellows of the National Academy. Associate fellowship, I think very lately Dr. Muskim has been added in this list. I'll show in my progress. And then you have got membership. I said 5 years after post graduation, you can become member. And if you have passed DNB, you become again member. I was talking about associate member. Associate member has been made very easy. Last year it was added in our council. What we have decided, if our DNB colleague can become member, why not MD, MS and MDS colleague? So I would request many people sitting, simply if you have passed in one attempt, had presented one paper, attended one conference, has published one paper, he can become associate. He can be associated with the National Academy. Emeritus professor, I talked. Very senior people are made emeritus professor, and then this is a convocation. I think Madam Chudamani is sitting. She is. And we had, this was the last convocation. So no, when you have become a member or fellow, there's a very good convocation used to happen, which is addressed by either president, vice president, or governors. So that was in Bangalore last year. The governor of Karnataka was there. We were all there, and Madam is also there in the photograph. And then this year convocation. This year means 24. It happened on 23rd of November in Jodhpur, and we are all sitting. Madam was also sitting, and the chief guest was Vice President of the country. So this is a very good convocation. The main idea is exchange of medical scientists. Somebody wanted to be trained at some place. If you can apply, you can get funds, and you can enjoy that. And then I said the main crux is the CME. This is a nodal agency for CME from medical and allied health professionals. It is not only medical, it is allied health professional. And there are a lot of funds are available, provided you have to apply. Let me say that ERA has already conducted 4 CMEs in last 1 year. It publishes a journal also known as Annals of National Academy, and there are many new programs have been added, like NAM's Leadership Development Program. What was the preamble of leadership program? Lead program. In our medical colleges, we are never told how to do administration. We become principal, we become VCs, we become this. We've been never told. We just learn by doing the thing. So what National Academy thought, that why not we should have a 3 days program for a senior people who can join this and can learn something about how to do administration. That is the lead program. Then a lot of people talk about artificial intelligence. So that also another program has been started, AI in healthcare. Already one batch has been trained. So any of you are interested, you can go on to website, you can find out all this, and if you any issue, you can talk to me directly. Initially the National Academy was a very close body. I must say, Madam is sitting here. She was the one probably who opened this. And state chapters were established last year, 23. And UP, I was made as a convener or chairperson again by Madam, I must say. And we established, you might be remembering, last year on 25th May, we established this National Academy cell in the medical college as an state cell of UP. So you must have seen last year on 25th May in ERA Medical College, the state chapter of National Academy of Uttar Pradesh, headquarters is in my room in the second floor, and that is the second floor is the headquarters there. And that was some of the glimpses of the inauguration, where I think Madam Chudamani was also sitting along with the director PGI, VC, KGMU, and Dr. Behra at that time was here in the function. He was president-elect at that time. Now he's the president of National Academy. And this is all some functions, and online, Dr. Sareen and Dr. Kapil, president and secretaries, they have all joined. So that was our cell, and we have opened 15 medical college. And I'd like to end. Somebody was asking, Pradeep was asking in the Abbas room, Abbas, how you have maintained yourself? I'll say same for you. I'm seeing you for last 30 years, I believe. You are the same. And I just teach my younger colleague, anyone who keeps learning stays young. So with this, thank you very much. And I hope I've been able to save some time. If you have any question, I'm here. I'm in this estate, second floor. My office is there. If any issue regarding any issue in the National Academy of Medical Science, you can contact me. Thank you very much.